Guys, it's Rajveer here. Welcome to my channel Make Money with Rajveer. Today I'm going to do an in-depth review of 3-day business breakthrough challenge by Jonathan Montoya or Passive Income Lifestyles. If you are on my channel for the first time, then make sure to hit the like and subscribe button because I create content all about affiliate marketing and make money online. So let's jump right into 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which is fast track 3-day training program that costs just $7. That is going to take you through the entire process of getting you set up with an affiliate marketing business from A to Z. If you are brand new into affiliate marketing, you will be able to start your business from scratch within 3 days. If this is something you are interested in, then stick with me. I'm going to take you into the members area. I'm also going to take you into Facebook group. This 3-day challenge is broken into 3 different days, which is going to heavily focus on different area of affiliate marketing business, and it's taught by a proven 6-figure affiliate marketer. There is a massive amount of value within this training. It's taught by someone who's actually implementing these methods and actually doing them, not just someone who says they are. So without any further delay, let's go ahead. I'm going to give you a back-end look of 3-day business breakthrough challenge and everything you could expect to learn inside of it. Let's get started. So here is day one. In day number one is heavily focused on your affiliate business. It really gives you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing and what you can actually expect to learn within his course. It's the whole goal of this day one is to give you clear understanding of how to build a profitable online business and how the concepts are actually going to work. And at the end of the day, he's going to give you some homework. So which is really nice because it's going to give you some steps to follow and how you are actually going to be able to have success with this course. And here you can get a ClickFunnels for free for 14 days free trial. So here you can download the challenge workbook. So in this challenge workbook, you will get all 3 days. So what you have to do, like day one, your affiliate business goals, and here are what you have to do after day one, and what you have to do after day two, what you have to do after day three. Here is all about day two, and here is the day three. So you can get this workbook. Okay, so next is day number two is all about taking action and building out your assets. He will teach you how to build your own affiliate marketing business in 40 minutes. I really enjoyed this video training because he takes you step by step through the process of setting up your sales funnel and autoresponder. If you don't know about what is sales funnel, it's basically just one page website that's going to allow you to collect emails before you direct them to your affiliate offer. And in second part of this day, he takes you and helps you integrate your email autoresponder with sales funnel. You really get to set up your whole business in just 40 minutes or even less than 40 minutes. He doesn't just tell you how to do it, he's actually showing you how to do this, which is crazy amount of value within this one video. And here you will download your workbook, and here as a bonus you will get his affiliate funnel that you can just import in ClickFunnels. So here is, you can just import this his funnel in ClickFunnels, and here you will get his ebook 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So that's just crazy amount of value really. And here you will get as a bonus his free ebook checklist. So here you will get bridge page script. Here is again you will get some homework to do for the day number two. And here he will tell you which affiliate websites you can try to get the affiliate products. And now it's day number three. Day number three is all about building traffic, and no, not the type of traffic that you sit in on your way home from work, but getting customers to your products or whatever. It is that you are promoting is referred to as the traffic. Without traffic, you are not going to have success. He breaks down different traffic methods in this video. For those of you who haven't been following him, or you don't know who he is, he has a lot of success on YouTube and TikTok. He has over 100,000 followers on TikTok, and he has a lot of success on YouTube too. In this training, he takes you through the process of how to go viral on TikTok and what he did, and how you can replicate that process in your own business. He teaches you how to find hot keywords on YouTube and how you can create content on YouTube. So that way, the people that are landing on your videos are already looking for what it is that you are promoting. Then he talk about how you can do paid ads with Google and get your offers in front of people that are already looking to purchase. Then he wraps up this video how you can actually partner with him, which is a great opportunity to make money online, because he's actually giving you the option to earn while you learn. So he offers 50% commission on all sales. So it's a great opportunity if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing. If you are watching this video, I am going to 100% assume that you are. So if you want to get his whole training, his whole blueprint, then you can get here. And here is your homework for day 3. And here you can become affiliate, means you can become a partner with him and get 50% commissions with all the offers. Here you can become an affiliate, and here are all the affiliate resources. But if you will get his whole course for 1497, then you will get 75% commission on wholesales. And here, as a bonus, he will give you his own white label funnel. So here you will import his 3-day challenge ebook funnel in ClickFunnels. And here you can download ebook and change all the affiliate links of your own. And here you can sign up for get response. Now let's go to his Facebook group. So here you can go to his Facebook group. So here is his Facebook group. So now he has 12.3k members. So basically this is main discussion board. He gives you additional things in here as well. And here you can get all the announcements here. And here you will get guides, like starting a YouTube channel from beginning to end. It's a full training about it. And ClickFunnels complete training, and traffic secret guides. And here you will get affiliate marketing free course here. And here means you will get everything here in this group. So this is my 3-day business breakthrough challenge review. It's just $7 and you will get tons of value in it. Jonathan will take you over the shoulder, step by step, how to get your affiliate business off the ground from zero. If it's something you are interested in, then you can purchase through the link you can find in description and comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for upcoming videos. Feel free to check out my other videos. So if you have any questions, then feel free to drop them in comment section. That's everything from me on the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Hope to see you in the members area. Bye for now.